Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, baby, we have the review of the Advent calendar. Today marks the 26th day of Advent. Y'all, we made it. Oh my goodness. So first of all, I have to give the warmest hugs to you, my beautiful nail family. This was such a love project, and every day all of the love and support throughout this series just meant everything. And I totally get it, like 25 videos back to back is very intense. So the fact that you guys came in day after day to see all of the goodies, it just warmed my heart to no end. So today's video is going to act as a review. First, I'm going to go through my standouts. So these are the products that truly touched my heart, that just made me lose my mind, and also are my absolute favorites out of this Advent calendar. Now, every single day was so special and so magical, but there are special days that touch your heart, so I had to go through those goodies. I couldn't get over that they gave us a limited edition rubber base coat. My nails have stayed long and strong due to their rubber base coat, the Philippines, which is their clear. So technically, on day 10, it's the same formula, it's just pigmented. So sign me up. It's absolutely everything. And this foil gel glue, this is one that you gotta hold on too tight. I just finished the bottle from 3 years ago, so I only have 2 bottles left. And because they are the tiny mini bottles, you need to covet them because they are not available on Madame Glam's regular website. Just like this holographic foil will not be available, but it is a stand out, baby. I am so obsessed with the goodies. So I had to take my favorite color, which was this obsidian, and I wanted to top it with the No Wipe top coat that has all of those gorgeous snow and metallic flakies, just all of the heaven. So that is Arctic Blast, which was the one that I pulled out for day 13. I'm pretty sure that was the first product I showed because I was just losing it over that. And also for day 25, this is the gift that keeps on giving. I am so excited to do full sets, nail dits, all sorts of fun content using these nail art cards. So I'm so excited. But as kind of a celebration of the Advent and just to close out this series, I wanted to not only show you all the goodies that we got, but I wanted to do my nails with some of the goodies. So in just a few moments, I'm going to begin that manicure, but I really want to just do a proper overview. Look at all of the tools, the liners, rubber bases, special effect top coats, lamps. They literally hooked us up and ensured that 2024 is going to be filled with the most gorgeous manicures. Oh my gosh, y'all, you can't tell me that this is not worth the amount that the calendar is. And especially with the holiday sales, it went all the way down to $99 US. There is no way you'd be able to get all of these goodies, even with a VIP, for $99. It's not a thing, especially with all of these full-size products. So again, for anybody that's interested, even if you want to participate next year, the Advent calendar is so worth it. I don't even have to talk it up. Literally, the products inside speak for themselves. So I am just so happy with these goodies, so I just quickly went shopping in there. I grabbed my obsidian, my base coat, my No Wipe top coat, special effect top coat, by the way, Arctic Blast. And we are going to get on to this manicure, y'all. So another PR goodie that Madame Glam sent over were these lint free wipes. I swear by these things. For any nail artist, nail enthusiast, nail tech, the power of lint and that it seems to live in the air and it just likes to mess up the nail. So with these lint-free wipes, you have no muss, no fuss. You can literally make sure your canvases are nice and squeaky clean and ready for all of the nail magic. I also really love this because I am a proud fur auntie, and my fur nephew, he is going through a shed with the cold and the winter here. So there is like fur in everything. I swear I vacuum, I dust, I wipe down everything, and within the span of 10 minutes, it's like I did nothing. The hair is everywhere. So these lint-free wipes just make sure, like, they make sure that no matter what, even if, like, say for instance, you do your base coat and then a little fur finds its way to your nail, you don't have to worry. Just cleanse that nail with these lint-free wipes and go right back in. I can't tell you how many times during this manicure that I had to pause a step, cleanse, wait for that nail plate to dry, and go back in with the goodies. Because if I just let every hair and, lint get me all riled up, I would never do a set of nails. So I don't look at it as an obstacle. I look at it as an opportunity to freshly cleanse them phalanges. And I'm just giggling. This project was so very fun, but towards the end, I think I was getting a little delirious just from, the holiday joy and the snowball effect of all of those videos. By day 24, I was like, what day is it again? Like, what is my name? I remember when I was doing day 22 and we were cuticling them phalanges, I can't believe I messed up that hard, and I said it like 5 times. I had to just leave that in the video because I'm like, you know what? We're all human. Nobody's perfect, and I'm not a robot, so I do try to leave, some of my fumbles in there, because the only perfection you should strive for is perfect nails. Everything else, there's beauty in the imperfections, let me tell you that. So first of all, how drop dead gorgeous is this obsidian? I am losing it. So as a blue charm sister, I could not let this calendar pass me by without putting these on my phalanges. When I opened up day 15 and I saw this blue, my heart leapt for literal joy. Last year, I actually missed out on this color called Ready, Set, Ski. It was from a snowy layover, and it broke my heart to pieces. It is still very much sold out and not available, and though I found colors that are similar, I've never found a color that is like match perfectly with that Ready, Set, Ski. So I hope maybe in a future collection Madame Glam comes out with something similar, or they bring back Ready, Set, Ski, because that blue, it's just the business. So I've taken Under Pressure, which is a peacock gel, and y'all, I'm crying. I wish I had have gotten this before all of the holiday sales and Cyber Monday and all of the things, because it sold out. And this was one of the first purchases I did a couple years back, and I am so in love. These are basically like unicorn flakes in a bottle, and they only came out with 2. So there was Cosmic Sparkle and Under Pressure, which what I'm using today is the blue Under Pressure, and the Cosmic Sparkle is like a purple effect. But I can't get over how beautiful these are. These are like gorgeous toppers, but they're actually just like a color. Like, though it's a clear base, it's not like a no wipe top coat or anything like that. So you can easily stack this throughout your designs without worrying about bulking the nail out. But I can't get over, this looks like it just came out of the bottle this way, with the blue and the shimmer. You would never know that these are 2 individual polishes stacked on each other. First of all, I'm in love with how that looks. But I also wanted to add a little dimension, because once we use the Arctic Blast, which has It has flakes that are both like almost like a hunk of snow, like a snowflake, and then metallic flakies. So I wanted to make sure that there was like a bit of dimension to that nail so that it's not just flat when I put it on. And I'm really in love with how this turned out. Honestly, I couldn't have thought of a better way to end this series than to first of all talk about how much I love Madame Glam's limited edition advent calendars. Ever since my partner 3 years ago found it, way before I was ever working with them or any of those blessings, when she brought that for Christmas, I got so emotional because, like, first of all, I had always wanted to try Madame Glam, but I never knew there was anything like this on the market. And now that I know, this has definitely become a part of my Christmas tradition. And I feel so blessed that Madame Glam sponsored last year and this year's calendar. It makes me so emotional, but no matter what, I'd be getting this calendar because, first of all, the savings are insane, but it's more than that. It's the magic of it. Like, Advent to me, it's the joy of Christmas. It makes you feel like a kid again. Every day is like a day of wonder, and you wonder what the possibilities lie. Like, it brings your passion of, if you're like me, nail goodies, with that magic of Christmas, and it just merges it. And I just think this annual idea of Advent is genius for them. And they've been doing this for a number of years, like way more than the little 3 years I've done it. I've seen calendars up to, I believe, 2018 or 2017 was the very first calendar. So I am just losing it over just this entire experience. Already, Madame Glam brings salon quality products home. So for somebody like me with chronic pain, that gives me my power back. It may take me 2 days to do a manicure, but like the accomplishment and how proud I feel after finishing a set and then seeing that salon quality finish is like no other, let alone what they've done with this Advent calendar series. So I am just madly in love, and I will most definitely be participating next year because this is again a Christmas tradition and it's going to stay that way. Thank you so very much, first off, for coming into today's video. It means absolutely everything. Now, I do apologize for any comments that I haven't been able to go through over the course of the next week. I'm going to make sure I go through there and I just, not only answer back, but just give you my love and thank you so much for all of the support. And speaking of giving back, y'all, if you didn't see, I'm doing a Madame Glam giveaway. You just have to go into my videos, look for the one titled Giveaway of Madame Glam Goodies, and follow the rules and regulations for that giveaway so you can get yourself some Madame Glam too. I really want you guys to be able to participate in that because I can't wait to give back to you for just all of the videos, just the dedication, all the good things. Because over the course of 2.5 years, it has been dedication. You guys have been dedicated sisters and brothers. And I appreciate you so much. I'm praying that you absolutely loved this manicure. I'm going to quickly cuticle oil them phalanges. I should say cuticle them phalanges. I need to make a shirt after that big mess up. And also, I think with nails, period, it's really taught me not to sweat the small stuff. And that goes for today at the end of filming because I actually was able to sit down and do both of my nails in one sitting, which does not happen. When I got up, I was just so numb and in so much pain from pinched nerves and my chronic illness that I actually shook and I hit my cuticle oil and it hit the ground. So I lost about half of that oil. But one thing, Madame Glam has set me up for the past 3 years with that cuticle oil out of that advent calendar. So we okay. We still got some goodies left. Thank you again so very much for watching. I hope you loved this advent calendar manicure. And I really hope you loved the series as much as I did making it. Honestly, it's going to feel weird waking up and not having to film, like for a daily thing. But we still gonna film around here because nail art is life. So please make sure you put those notification bells on so you don't miss any future videos. Now I'm just going to be dancing and twerking my way through the house now that I have this gorgeous mani. Thank you so very much, Madam Glam. And thank you, my beautiful nail family, for making my day once again. I can't wait to see you in a future video. We don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. But I will definitely see you this week. Sending you so much love and light. And thank you again for following this series. You've truly made my Christmas and the end of 2023 oh so magical. Mwah. Thank you for watching.